Precision in the workshop starts with the care you put into your machinery setup. Woodpecker's new stainless steel DeadNutz Square will help you make sure your equipment is set up dead nuts every time. Most shop squares are made with multiple pieces joined together, which invites inaccuracy. The DeadNutz Square is made from one piece of solid 3/8 inch thick stainless steel cut with Wire Electrical Discharge Machining, or Wire EDM. It brings micron level machining accuracy and the strength and durability of stainless steel into your workshop. At 3.5 inches, the square's base is perfectly flat for stability on machine tables. And the reference edges are beveled, enhancing your view between the square and a fence or blade. The DeadNutz Square is perfect for setting your joiner fence. It can be used at the drill press, the bandsaw, and at your miter station. Once you're dialed in, cut a test piece and measure against the inside 90 reference. Whether you're tuning up an older machine or dialing in new equipment, DeadNutz is the setup tool you need. Order yours today.